I took a picture. Oh, it's running.
Testify. What line?
There it is.
And how would I possibly know that you were fraud? Because you forced him. Of course I did. Now, when would I have had time to do that?
Well, I was in Mexico. I asked the company to you for a while.
Okay. Back up. Why would I have done something like that?
But you never left with them.
I could have done that 1,000 different ways. You know that, and I know it. So why would I not try to
Go around something.
for me?
I can't.
And it
Business? You know that the original trusts. I remember them completely.
That's what I wanted.